Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to teach you simple ways to start making money using social media in Rwanda, even if you have only a smartphone.
The first way is selling products online.
You can sell things like clothes, shoes, phones, electronics, food items, or accessories. Take clear photos and post them on WhatsApp status, Facebook, and Instagram. Many people in Rwanda make money this way every day. Your phone becomes your shop.
The second way is selling your skills or services.
If you can repair phones, install CCTV, design posters, edit videos, do hair or makeup, show your work on social media, post real examples before and after work, and customer feedback, people trust what they see. The third way is content creation. You can create videos about education, news, comedy, motivation, or technology. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook can pay you through ads and promotions. It takes time, but consistency brings results. Be honest, post regularly. Social media money is real, but it needs patience. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below which way you want to start, and I will guide you step by step. Thank you for watching.